What is the first letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter A. A, A, A. A is for apple. A, A, apple. A is for ant. A, ant. Did you know that ants can lift 50 times their own weight? Ants. Big A, little a. A. What is the second letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter B. B. B is for butterfly. Butterfly. B is for bumblebee. Bumblebee. Did you know that butterflies can taste with their feet? Butterfly. Big B, little b. Bee. What is the third letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter C. C is for caterpillar. Caterpillar. C is for cat. Cat. Did you know that a cactus stores water to survive in the dry desert? Cactus. Big C, little c. C. What is the fourth letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter D. D is for dog. Dog. D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur. Did you know that dolphins talk to each other with clicks and whistles? Dolphin. Big D, little d. D. What is the fifth letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter eh, eh. E is for eggs. Eggs. E is for elephant. Elephant. Did you know that eagles have amazing eyesight? And they lay eggs. Eggs. Big E. Little E. E. What is the sixth letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter F. F. F is for flower. Flower. F is for fish. Fish. Did you know that frogs drink water through their skin? Frog. Big F. Little f. F. What is the seventh letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter G. G. G is for grapes. Grapes. G is for glass. Glass. Did you know that goats have rectangular pupils? Goat. Big G. Little g. G. What is the eighth letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter H. Ha. H is for hat. Hat. H is for hamster. Hamster. Did you know that honeybees dance to tell each other where flowers are? Honeybee. Big H. Little h. H. What is the ninth letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter I. I, I, I. I is for inchworm. I, inchworm. I is also for island. Island. Did you know that iguanas can regrow their tails? Iguana. Big eye. Little eye. I. What is the 10th letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter J. J, J, J. J is for jellyfish. J, J, jellyfish. J is for Joshua tree. J, J, Joshua tree. Did you know that jaguars are very strong swimmers? J, J, jaguar. Big J. Little J. J, J, J. What is the 11th letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter K. K, K, K. K is for kiwi. K, K, kiwi. K is also for the other kind of kiwi. K, K, kiwi. Did you know that koalas sleep for up to 20 hours in one day? Koala. Big K. Little K. K. What is the 12th letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter L. L. L is for ladybug. Ladybug. L is for llama. Llama. Did you know that leaves help plants make food from sunlight? Leaf. Big L. Little L. L. What is the 13th letter of the alphabet? looks like the letter M. M. M is for mouse. Mouse. M is for mushroom. Mushroom. Did you know that mushrooms help break down dead plants? Mushroom. Big M. Little m. M. What is the 14th letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter N. N. N is for narwhal. Narwhal. N is for newt. Newt. Did you know that birds build nests? Nest. Big N. Little n. N. What is the 15th letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter O. O is for owl. Owl. O is for octopus. Octopus. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? Octopus. Big O. Little o. O. What is the 16th letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter P. P is for pig. Pig. P is for porcupine. Porcupine. Did you know that penguins can't fly? They have flippers instead of wings. Penguins. Big P. Little p. P. What is the 17th letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter Q. Q. Q is for quail. Quail. Q is for quartz. Quartz. Did you know that baby quail are the size of a large grape? They're so little and fluffy. Quail. Big Q. Little Q. Q. What is the 18th letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter R. R. R is for rhino. Rhino. R is for ray. Ray. Did you know that rainforests have more than half of the world's animals? Rainforest. Big R. Little r. R. What is the 19th letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter S. S is for snake. Snake. S is for squid. Squid. Did you know that starfish can grow back lost arms? Starfish. Big S. Little s. S. What is the 20th letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter T. T is for turtle. Turtle. T is for toucan. Toucan. Did you know that tree monitors are expert climbers? Tree monitor. Big T. Little t. T. What is the 21st letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter U. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. U is for urchin. Urchin. Did you know that urchins have tiny tube feet that help them move along the bottom of the sea? Urchin. Big U, little u. U. What is the 22nd letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter V. V. V is for vulture. Vulture. V is for volcano. Volcano. Did you know that vines climb trees to get more sunlight? Vines. Big V, little v. V. What is the 23rd letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter W. W is for whale. Whale. W is for walrus. Walrus. Did you know that blue whales are the biggest animal on Earth? Whale. Big W, little w. W. What is the 24th letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter X. X. X can make many different sounds. In this word, X is for Hymenia. Hymenia. In this word, X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Did you know that X-ray fish are so see-through that you can see their bones? X-ray fish. Big X, little x, 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 X. What is the 25th letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter Y. Y. Y is for yam. Yam. Y is for yak. Yak. Did you know that yaks have super thick fur so they can stay warm in cold mountains? Yak. Big Y, little y. Y. What is the 26th letter of the alphabet? Looks like the letter Z. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini. Did you know that every zebra has a unique pattern of stripes? Zebra. Big Z, little z. Z. Good job! You just learned all 26 letters of the alphabet. We hope you come back soon for more learning fun with
letters, ABCs, and 1, 2, 3.
Please subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to know when we post more fun learning videos.